Feels like, feels like, feels like, through dropping firing, natural disasters. My baby is built around me. Kingdom to falling, angels be calling.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing another get ready with me. And this time you guys are going to be able to pick my outfit. Today I have like a smoky eye for you guys, but a little cut crease action as well. Silver, full glam vibes, going on a date with my man. So I want y'all to help me get ready. Okay, starting with the base. As you guys see me do in the first two steps, because I suck ass at keeping up with these tutorials. I don't know how people talk so motherfucking fast. For this color, I'm putting it in my crease first, and then we blend it inward to the eye. So crease in, because we want the most pigment to be at the end of our eye, period. Once we get that blended how I like, I did take a clean brush and I'm gonna blend the edges just so it's not super harsh. Going in with this flat brush, I am going to go in with the brown, and this is where we're going to start to carve out our design. This is where I want to create kind of like a wing liner effect. So you guys are going to see me just with that flat brush and that brown color just creating that guideline for our wing, okay? I'm going to go in with our Jaclyn Hill palette. I love this palette so much. I've had this since I was like in high school and I still use it to this day. I don't care. I don't have like a really small concentrated brush, unfortunately, because Bastion chewed it. So you guys are going to see me use like a fluffier brush, but I'm just packing on pigment. Same technique, we're packing it on the outside and then we're dragging the color inward, and then we clean it up with our other brush. Back in with the flat brush to kind of clean up the lines and make it a little more evident. And then we're going to go in with concealer. I was really light on this because I'm just using the concealer as a guide. I'm literally only using it as a guide. So I know in this clip I pointed at the silvery color, but I actually went in with the color next to it, like the light tan, and I had to do some special maneuvers because I did do my lashes. So it was kind of hard to move around them, but we're going to go ahead and pack this color on. We're just keep building. You just dip and pack, pack, pack. Once that's done, we're gonna go ahead and go back in, and honestly, this is pretty much it. Repeated blending, repeated packing until we get it like this. So cute, so ready. This is the part of the tutorial where you guys have seen me do my base 1,000 times. I'm just applying foundation, and I do swipe like that because I want to create like a cut crease effect kind of with my eyeshadow. Then we're going to jump into contour, highlight, all those good things. You guys know the dealio, the regular. I've got plenty of tutorials on how to get a good base. I'm so excited for you guys to see the outfits that I have planned tonight. I was so worried, so scared about this look when I was doing it because I don't know. Yeah, he chewed my shit. Yeah, I caught his ass. He was under the bed, okay? And I'm like, where the fuck is my beauty blender? And I look, why he only chewed a tip? Why he only chewed a tip? I don't like that. He might as well ate the whole thing. When I tell you, I used it. I used it throughout this video, but it was rough. It was rough. Because, girl, I could not get up in them corners like I wanted to. But anyways, needless to say, we're going to continue with the tutorial. I'm so excited for you guys to see these outfits today. The color that I was going for, the color scheme and vibe was like neutral, brown, silvery colors like that for date night. I want to surprise my man, okay? I want him to be like, damn, that's my girl. So that was my thought process behind the outfits that I chose, as well as the makeup tutorial. And guys, guess what? My man has not seen this. He has not seen this makeup. He has not seen this outfit. He ain't seen none of this before. Okay? So when we do go out on date night, baby, he is gonna be shook. Okay. Going in with some blush, my favorite part. I love adding blush and making my cheeks pretty. White highlight at the high points of our face, you already know. Then we're gonna go ahead and add highlight to our nose, both the tip and down the center, and then all the other high points of our face, our cheekbones, and then I'm also gonna touch the inner corner as well for that extra pop. Headed straight into lip liner. I am very OD with the lip liner. Like, it takes me a really long time to perfect this, so you guys are literally just seeing like the clear outline. I had to choose between a lip gloss, so you guys let me know. It was between this one, and then I had another brown color. I didn't know if I wanted to go for something more cool or brown, but I did end up going with the light pink. It's like a nude pink. This is one of my favorite. NYX Lipstick Lingerie. They have some of the best affordable matte lip glosses, but it's matte, girl. Your lips will be dry, so make sure you moisturize real good while you waiting for you to apply it. So do some real good lip care, lip prep, and boom. This is the look. It came together so bomb. I loved every second of it. I really wanted to challenge myself to do something different in this tutorial, but look, your girl cannot stay away from lip gloss. It's just something about gloss I cannot get away from. So I did a really light glossy pink shimmery shade across the bottom and top of my lip. And look at that, you cannot tell me this is not eating. Girl, who you lying to? Because it ain't me. Now for the finished result. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial, and I want y'all to let me know how you guys are feeling this look. I did give you guys several different styles today, both with glasses and without glasses. So let me know definitely which look is your favorite and which one you would wear. Which one do you think will wow my man? See you there.
Every night I rush to my bed with hopes that maybe I'll get a chance to see you when I close my eyes. I'm going out of my head, lost in the fairy tale. Can you hold my hands and be my guide? Clouds filled with stars cover your skies, and I hope I got too many hoes, but they ain't you. You like to put that shit in your nose.